Hello friends, I welcome you on this tutorial video. First of all, I want to introduce the person who has referred this question. His name is Ahmad Al-Qaisi and he is studying in the college King Hussein bin Talal University, Jordan, in the Department of Electrical Engineering, 5th year. So in this question, we need to find the Fourier series coefficient of this waveform. As you can see that this is a periodic waveform and Fourier series can only be evaluated for periodic function only. Okay, so the formula for evaluating Fourier series coefficient is this. Now in this formula, this Cn is denotes the Fourier series coefficient, capital T is the time period and omega naught is the fundamental frequency of the waveform, okay, which is equal to omega naught equals to 2 pi by capital T, that is time period of that waveform, and f of t is the equation of this waveform. Okay, any periodic waveform we need to put in place of f of t. Okay, so we are given only with this waveform, so first of all we need to find the equation of this waveform. Okay, so first of all we need to find the equation of this waveform, okay, in its single time period. Okay, so we are taking its time period right from minus t by 2 to plus t by 2. Okay, so for this section we are writing this equation of ft. Okay, so we have two straight line, one is this and second one is this. Okay, so by using equation of straight line we can find the equation of this ft. Okay, so for first part, this part, as we can see that this line from 0 to t by 2, this line passes through origin. Okay, for the line passing through origin, the equation can be written from this line y equals to mx. Okay, where m is the slope of this line and y is equals to f of t and x is equals to t as concerned with this graph. Okay, so f of t is equals to m into t by substituting the value of y and x. Now we need to find the points, corner points of this line. So this is origin, so coordinate of origin is 0, 0 and the coordinate of this point is t by 2 comma a. Okay, similarly coordinate of this point is minus a comma 0 comma minus a and this minus t by 2 comma 0. Okay, these 2 points we will use for finding this second equation. Okay, so we need to find, for first part we need to find this slope m. So m is equals to f of t by t. Okay, now we are putting this point in this equation for finding m. So value of f of t is equals to a and value of t is t by 2. Okay, so at value t by 2, f of t by 2 is equals to a and t is equals to t by 2. Putting value of this, we get m is equals to a by t by 2, which is equals to 2a by 2. Okay, so the equation of first part is f of t is equals to 2a by capital T into small t. This equation is evaluated by substituting this point. Okay, in this equation f of t equals to m into t. Now for finding equation of this second part, we are using intercept form of equation of straight line, that is x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Okay, and y is equals to f of t and x is equals to t. Okay, so a and b are the x and y intercept. So x intercept is equals to minus t by 2 and y intercept is equals to minus a. Okay, so the value of a is minus t by 2 and the value of b is minus a. Putting the value in this equation, we will have this equation. Okay, now arranging this equation, we will get f of t is equals to minus a minus 2a by capital D into small t. Okay, now this first part is for time 0 to capital T by 2 and this second part is from time minus t by 2 to 0. Okay, so we get two different equations for this time interval. Okay, from 0 to t by 2 this equation, and from minus t by 2 to 0 we get this equation. Now putting the value of ft in this equation to find the Fourier series coefficient. Okay, so Cn is equal to 1 by capital T into integral of f of t into e to the power minus j n omega naught t, and integrating from t naught to t naught plus t. Okay, so t naught is equals to minus t by 2 and t naught plus capital T is equals to t by 2. Okay, so the lower limit is minus t by 2 and the upper limit, so lower limit is minus t by 2 and the upper limit is capital T by 2. Okay, now the function is changing from 0 to t by 2 and from minus t by 2 to 0. Okay, minus t by 2 0 function is different, and from 0 to t by 2 function is different. Okay, so we need to split this integral into two integral with limit from minus t by 2 for first integral and 0 to t by 2 for second integral. Okay, so Cn would be equals to this. Okay, now from interval minus t by 2 capital T by 2 to 0 function is this. Okay, so we need to place this value here. Okay, so on substituting value we will get this. Okay, now on second integral from limit 0 to capital T by 2, the function is f of t is equals to 2a by capital T into small t. So here also we need to substitute this value of this function here. Now we just need to integrate this integral, both the integral, for finding the Fourier series coefficients. So I am rubbing the rest. We need to evaluate only this integral, these two integrals. Okay, I have also split this first integral into two different integrals. Okay, now first thing that we are going to do is taking the constant out from each integrals. This first integral can be evaluated very easily, but for these two integral we need to find this integration by using integration by part. Okay, for first integral we are using this formula, and for second and third integral we are using this formula. Okay, this is obtained by using integration by part. We are directly using this formula. Okay, I have done a mistake in writing this formula. Okay, here previously you can see that here t, there is a term t. Okay, so rub this t term. Okay, this is the exact formula. Okay, I have compared and put the values after using both these integrals. Okay, now we just need to simplify more. So minus j n omega naught whole square, this value is j square n square omega naught square, that is minus n square omega naught square. Okay, so in place of minus j n omega naught square I am writing minus n square omega naught square. So after putting the limits we will get, pardon for little more mistake, this usually happen in a flow. Okay, this t is also should not be in this expression. Okay, so this is the exact form. Okay, so please correct it. Hope you will consider this. So this is what we get after substituting the limits. Okay, now arranging the term we will get here. So this what we get after simplification. Okay, so I am rubbing this upper part. Now using this identity, e की power I theta minus e की power minus I theta upon 2I is equals to sin theta. Okay, this I am using for this term. Okay, and e to the power I theta is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, so this is the Fourier series coefficient of this is the exact expression. In this I have skipped this term. Okay, I have combined these two term here. Okay, so this is not the exact answer. The exact answer is this for this waveform. Okay, so I hope that this video will be helpful for you all, and if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel Kamaldeer Maths Easy, and also press the notification bell for upcoming notification of new videos. Okay, you can also mail us in this Gmail ID mahidheer@gmail.com for your problems. Okay, mail your problems to this email address. Okay, thank you for watching.